Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. You guys, welcome back to the annual Valentine's Day gift guide. These are some of my favorite videos to film because I just love researching and seeing what all different kinds of men want for Valentine's Day. So in this video you will find a little bit of everything. You will find something for that situation you have, you will find something for your boyfriend, and if you have a husband you will find something for your husband right here. Now I tried my best not to make this like the generic gift basket video. I wanted to actually go and research and see what men actually want. So I think some of these things are like really good stuff. The prices do vary, but you decide what you want to get yo man, yo boo for Valentine's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, you guys, I am so sorry for the shadows in the background. I didn't know how to fix it. I tried my best. Okay, so the first thing is get him his favorite show and or movie poster. That is so easy, and men just love to have their favorite movie, their favorite show, their favorite character like showcased in their room. It's like something cool when everybody comes over and they're like, that's cool, you know? The next thing I think is so cool. It is a Lego building kit. Now they have a variety of different things that you can get him from this. They have model cars, which are super cool. You can get him your favorite car, such as the Lambo, some convertibles, some trucks, whatever your man is into, most likely have it. Also, if your man's not into cars, that is okay, girl. You can get him a plant building kit. There's like character building kits. I saw this one that was like a little Tom and Jerry one and it was so adorable. They have like Wally, like they have the variety is really endless for like Lego building kits, and it is in their innate nature for to want to fix and build things, and that I just think that they would love doing that, like stimulate the brain, and you could even do that with them. Number 3 is you can get him a pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses are just amazing year-round, honestly. My man wears them all the time. If there is sun, he is going to be wearing his sunglasses, especially when he's driving. So I love to always have him a backup like in the car. Sunnies are great. You can get anywhere from like a really inexpensive brand to like a really high-end brand. It's really up to you, and you know that he will probably wear them. Okay, number 4 is a twist on the traditional overdone Valentine's Day gift basket. You can make him a loaded gym bag. Now hear me out. You get a gym bag, girl, you stick stuff in there, his favorite snacks, his favorite candy, his favorite drinks, especially if your man is like recently starting to get into the gym. You know, everybody's in the new year new me phase, trying to get that healthy body. Get him his favorite protein, get him some protein bars, get him some Powerade, like fill that up with everything you would basically put in the basket, but put it in a gym bag, and it's actually practical. What is your man gonna do with all the gift baskets you give him? With the gym bag, he can actually use it, and it is just amazing. Number 5, I have never heard of a man that doesn't want a knife, a pocket knife, something of that sort. Men are just fascinated by knives. You cannot go wrong with a pocket knife, and they look super cool too. I just got my man actually one. Don't tell him. I got him one for Valentine's Day. I'll go ahead and put a picture of what it looks like right here. It is so cool. It is not a pocket knife. I know he's going to love it, and just men love knives. Like, I don't think you can go wrong with getting him a knife. Next up, and I think this is so cute and so sentimental, and it's something you both can do. It's called a puzzle picture, and what you do is you basically send in a picture of you two, or any just picture that you want, and you get to pick how many pieces you want. You can pick like 100 pieces, 1,000 pieces, and they'll basically imprint a puzzle into that picture, and then you guys can build it together. That is so cute. Next up is a money clip. The big fat wallets are not in anymore, like they're not. So I think a nice money clip would be so good. Coach has some really nice ones. Next up is a power bank, and there is some really cool MagSafe ones now that you could just like put on the back of your phone. Get him a power bank. He will definitely use that, and now there's no excuse for him not to answer your phone calls because his battery will always be charged, and they're so cool. They're so compact. You don't need no wires. Like, they're amazing. Next I have is a gym backpack. If your man already has a gym bag, then you're like, how am I supposed to do that? Get him a gym backpack. Those are so cool. I really want a gym backpack in the future. A gym backpack is so nice. To me, I feel like it's so much more convenient to have the backpack than that big old strip right here. Gymshark has some really nice ones. Adidas has some really nice ones, and you can also load up that gym backpack with his favorite items. That is a really cool idea, and it's multi-use. He doesn't have to use it just for the gym. He can use it for the gym. He can use it for when he goes to stay over at your house. He can use it for when you guys travel, like great things. Next up, and I've done this before, is a gift card bouquet. You get him his favorite gift cards of stuff that he likes. For example, here's what I would put for my man for his gift card bouquet. I would put him a Little Caesars gift card because the man just loves pizza, specifically Little Caesars. I would get him a Bass Pro Shop gift card because the man just loves Bass Pro Shop. I would get him maybe a Dave & Buster's gift card because that way we can both use it. Best Buy, Walmart, anything you want to give him. The gift card bouquet I think is so amazing and he will use it. He will use it. He will appreciate it. It's so easy also for like a last minute gift. Okay, this next one I think is so cool. This is definitely for the 21 and over group. It's a beer bucket and you can get him all different kinds of flavors of beer. And if he doesn't like beer, you can get him a liquor bucket, which you can just fill up the bucket with like maybe that little curly like tissue paper and put in a bunch of mini little bottles. That way you guys can both try them together. I think that's so fun and it's so cool, and he gets to taste the rainbow of liqueurs. Number 11 is a just good hoodie, a good essentials cozy hoodie. A speaker. Speakers are always so much fun, especially spring is coming up. Spring break, you guys are going to the beach. Have a nice speaker while he's showering. Have a nice speaker. Music is just fantastic. I've never heard of a man that doesn't want a speaker. This one is so exciting, and me and my husband actually did this a while ago. It is a cooking class. Sign up for a cooking class together. That is so fun, and like the bonding experience is just so nice too. My husband and I did a pizza and pasta making class and it was great. Of course I chose pizza because my man loves pizza. But it was so good. The pasta was delicious and it was like such a fun skill to learn. There's so many like cooking classes available. There's so many learning classes available. Like if you both want to go do a pottery class, I think that's so fun. And I think it's just in men's nature to just want to like do stuff with their hands, like building stuff. And I just feel like classes are such a good idea and interactive and a great bonding experience. Classes. This next one is very pricey. Okay, it's a little pricey, but you decide what is your budget. This, I think men would just have so much fun with a drone. This brings them back to their childhood when they were playing with the little carritos, like the little cars, little remote control cars. Drones are just so fun. I think he would love that. A little pricey, but he would definitely love it. Next up is whiskey glasses. They have a bunch of different shapes and sizes of whiskey glasses, and they have like some really cool ones too. This is a good and cheap, affordable one, especially if you have a situationship, you know, and you want to get your man something small and sweet. Get him a candy salad, you guys. Candy salads have been going around all over my For You page. All over my For You page, I made one, and you just get a glass jar and pour in his favorite candy. It doesn't have to be like for example, mine was pink and red themed. You don't have to do that. Get him his favorite candy. Like if he loves like blue raspberry, like sour blue raspberry, fill it up with all of like the blue raspberry flavor stuff. Fill it up with his favorite candy, and he's gonna eat it. Like candy's so exciting. Like how could you not love candy? Get him a candy salad. A baseball cap. I don't think you can go wrong with a baseball cap. You can also get a custom baseball cap, maybe like one of your initials in there. You can get him his favorite team. You can get him his favorite color. Just baseball caps are so easy and just a great idea. A graphic tee. Get him his favorite show, his favorite character. Graphic tees are great. They wear them all the time. Okay, this next one is specific for the guy that loves anime. This is a Crunchyroll subscription. Crunchyroll is basically like a streaming service, kind of like Netflix, where they can just sit there and binge watch all their anime stuff. And if they're so into it, like they're gonna love you. They're gonna love you for it because they always have a place to go watch anime. Okay, the next one is something that you both can benefit from, and it is movie tickets. Get him movie tickets. Men want to be spoiled too, okay? Take him to the movies, buy the movie tickets in advance, buy some cool snacks, his favorite sports jersey, an AirTag. He will use an AirTag. If your man's always losing his keys, get him an AirTag. I love having AirTag, especially for the airport, because if you travel a lot, you just want to know where your luggage is. And AirTags are just so multifunctional, and they're just great. Like they'll for sure use them. Next up is a multi-tool. I once heard a man saying a multi-tool was his longest relationship, and he was very sad when he lost his multi-tool. If you don't know what a multi-tool is, it's a little tool that has multiple functions. It usually has like a screwdriver, a little knife, pliers. It has a bunch of stuff, and girl, trust me when I tell you this, men use it. They use it. They will use it all the time. They have little mini ones that you can put in your keychain. They have bigger ones that you can put in your pocket. Like get him a multi-tool. Trust me. Also, you guys, it is raining really hard here in Northern California. I do have my mic, so you shouldn't be able to hear it, but if you do, sorry about that. It sounds like it's currently hailing. It has been raining a lot. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I think it's raining all over California and a lot of other states too, so just be careful, stay safe, don't go out if you don't have to. Okay, I have here MagSafe accessories. A lot of phones are coming out with MagSafe stuff. MagSafe wallets. My husband loves to have his card accessible at all times, so a MagSafe wallet, you just stick it behind your phone and it has like the little inserts. He can stick his credit card in there. It has enough for like space for cash if he wants to carry cash, his ID. Like it's so minimalistic and it's with him all the time. Like MagSafe wallets are great. Okay, so this next one is a Philips electric razor. If your man loves to have a clean shave, that is a really good razor out there. Next up is again one of these Christmas style gifts, but a smartwatch. My husband just upgraded his smartwatch and he loves it, girls. He absolutely loves it. When you're at the gym, if you want to switch your music, you want to look at texts, you want to answer phone calls, like smartwatches are just great. Okay, this next thing is so funny, and like obviously you don't have to get it, but I feel like a lot of men are kind of like nerds a bit and they love swords. Like they just feel so cool with a sword. I don't think you'll be disappointed with a sword. I know it can be kind of hard to get, but if you do get your hands on a sword, oh my gosh, can you please film your reaction and post it on YouTube and send it to me, because I want to see. I'm sure that man's gonna be so excited to get his sword. Okay, this next thing is kind of funny, and my man protested for many years that he did not want Crocs, but get him Crocs. Even if he says he doesn't like Crocs and he's not gonna wear them, get him Crocs. Get him Crocs and just be like, they're only for the house. He's going to wear them. Tell your man to stop wearing your Crocs. Get him some Crocs. Get him some cool Crocs. They have all kinds of different things. Get him cool Croc pins. Get him like his favorite sports team Croc pins. His favorite activity. Does he like to go fishing? Get him fishing Croc pins. Does he like to go hunting? Get him hunting Croc pins. Does he like anime? Get him anime Croc pins. Get him whatever he likes. Crocs, do not underestimate the power of Crocs. They're a little ugly, we're not gonna lie, but they're gonna wear them and they're gonna be comfy and it's great. This next thing is very sweet, I think, and it is baked goods. You can make him a little cake. You can make him some chocolate covered strawberries. Everything just is so much better when it comes like from you. You're literally pouring your love into it. You can make him like buy Rice Krispies and just like dip them in like chocolate and decorate them. That is so cute, and that is so cute, so easy, and it is very heartfelt. I think I would love that. Okay, this next thing is something I have been seeing. If your man is a gamer, get him a game controller stand. I have seen so many cool ones and they're just like this, like holding the controller, and they look so cool. They also have some that charge your controller for you, which is probably great. Next up is a travel cup. If your man goes to work early, if he's in school and he just wants like his cafecito walking to class, a travel cup is always nice. Okay, this next thing is so cute. It is a custom watch band. I saw this girl actually on TikTok. She got him like a band. It was like a faux leather like brown band, and it looked like nice and classy from the outside, but from the inside, like when you put it on, it said like I love you and then her name, and it was like in her writing, and that was so cute. Another DIY one is a DIY scrapbook. Get a book, print out all your favorite pictures of each other, put the pictures right where you guys did that day. I think that's so cute. It's so sentimental, and just put your favorite memories of each other. Shorts, a carabiner keychain. This one is car stuff. Get him, especially if he's into his car, get him car stuff. Next up is get him tickets to a game. That could be his favorite game. That could be a new game. I have never personally watched hockey, but I heard that hockey is so fun and so exciting. So if I was you, I would get him a hockey game tickets and then we can both go. And I heard that it's like fantastic. Like the crowd is chef's kiss. Okay, this one I'm a little biased of because I bought it for my man for Valentine's Day. I bought him this for Christmas, and it is a smokeless fire pit, and it is fantastic. Ladies, you will also benefit from this too, because I used to love bonfires, but I used to hate being out there because the smoke would stick to my hair and it would smell so bad. Like it just smelled so bad on my hair, on my clothes. But with the smokeless fire pit, no smoke. Another club, just kidding. No smoke, and it's so cute and small and compact, and they also have a bunch of accessories for it if you want to like grill there. It's just great. A smokeless fire pit, shot glasses and or a flask. Shoes, if your man is into shoes, get him some shoes. This is gonna be kind of random, but if you just throw in a flashlight in there, flashlights are great. You will always use a flashlight. Have him in his car. This next one is a 5 cents gift, and I don't know if you guys have ever heard about this, but it's like your 5 senses and you get him a gift for each one. So it's like sight, touch, smell, hear. Alexa, what are the 5 senses?
Person's 5 senses are sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch.
Okay, so for tasting, you can get him his favorite snacks. For hearing, you can DIY him a playlist on Spotify or iCloud or wherever you guys stream music from, and etc, right? But I think that's really cool, a 5 cents box. There's tons of videos out there on YouTube on ideas for the 5 senses gift. This next one is a backpack cooler. They have some really cool ones at Bass Pro Shop. I did get my husband one from Target, and it's great. We take it everywhere, especially when we're going to the beach, when we're traveling, like road trips. It is just amazing. I have wireless earbuds. My husband just got some. He actually got them for his birthday, and he uses them every single day. Wireless earbuds are just amazing for your daily tasks, for the gym, for whatever you're doing. Like, they're just great. This next one is a Firehouse Gear Stool. Now, I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like a little stool, and basically has like little pockets where you can stick all your stuff. So if he's like working on his car, he can have like his little car tools there. If he's gardening, I don't know if he'll garden, but if he's gardening, he can have like his little gardening tools. Basically, this is a tool he can take wherever he needs to and have his little tools right there. Okay, this is a headlamp. My husband again uses his headlamp all the time. I cannot tell you enough. Where we live, there's a bunch of animals sometimes, like raccoons, skunks, possums. So whenever I hear a noise, I'm like, can you go check? He takes his headlamp and he goes and deals with it, and it's great. Also, I think headlamps are great to have in the car just in case anything ever happens on the road and you need to have light to be looking inside your like hood. It's just great. Okay, this next one is pretty expensive, pretty pricey. It is a VR headset. We have the Quest, and it is so nice. I do workout classes there. He does boxing classes. Okay, and last but not least, it is a wireless charging station. Now, at night, I cannot tell you enough how helpful it is to have a place to charge your phone, to charge your watch, to charge your AirPods. Like, it is so great to just have a designated area where everything is just there and charging. It's just great. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day gift card for me. Let me know what was your favorite thing, and if you have any other ideas that I missed, go ahead and put them in the comments down below so everybody can look and just get some more ideas. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys all, and I know that whatever you end up getting your significant other, he or she is going to love it so much because it came from you and it came from a place of love. So do not stress it. I know sometimes we just get in our heads with wanting to pick the perfect gift for our loved one, but trust me, it's the little things. Like, it really is the little things. You don't have to like stress it enough. Get him a nice little card and it'll be fine. And I hope you guys have a great day overall. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
We keep launching missiles, the cavalry's ready.